Today we're going to make a very simple cocktail with a very curious name. Stay tuned.
I'll have what she's having.
Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to make a really excellent drinking cocktail. This one is called the Screaming Orgasm. Very simple to make, simple ingredients, but first things first, let's get our cocktail glass chilling, because we do want our glass chilled. We're not going to serve this over ice, but we are going to serve it in a cold glass. All right, we need a shaker, a little bit of ice, very simple recipe, Bailey's Irish cream, or any other Irish cream that you are interested in buying. 3/4 of an ounce. Kahlua, also 3/4 of an ounce. Amaretto. I'm going to use this brand here. Use whichever amaretto you have. Again, 3/4 of an ounce. Last ingredient is vodka. I'm going to use Grey Goose. Again, use whichever version you have. 3/4 of an ounce. Shake it till it's cold. We don't need this ice in here. There we go. Screaming Orgasm. Very tasty cocktail. Love it. You got to try it if you've not tried it. Hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed. Click the thumbs up button. Show me your appreciation. Leave comments down below. Till later, thank you, and you have a great day.
Hey, everybody, we're all going to get laid.